So hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna reviewing Adobe Firefly, Adobe's AI-powered creative tool for generating images, text effects, and more. Is it a game changer for designers and content creators, or just another AI tool? Let's find out. So what is Adobe Firefly? So Adobe Firefly is an AI image generation and editing tool designed for creative professionals. Unlike other AI generators like DALL-E or Midjourney, Firefly is trained on licensed Adobe stock images, making it safe for commercial use rather than like the large AI models that train on public or like licensed images. This is completely safe to use because they do buy the images that they use for AI training, so it's pretty cool, very ethical, very nice, and also it is available as a web app integrated into Adobe tools like Photoshop and Illustrator. So, key features here, there's like text to image, so text to image generation, create high quality image from text prompts. There's also generative fill, yeah, easily remove objects or add elements to photos. Text effects, apply AI powered text to powered styles to text, vector recoloring, quickly change color schemes in vector, and performance. So the performance of this is pretty good. So Firefly generates highly detailed and commercially safe images. So let's try. I want I want a horse. I want a horse rider in a cowboy hat throwing a steel ball. There we go. So let's gonna try out the quality here. So we're just gonna look up here. We're gonna generate it. See here, it looks pretty cool. Uh, my model or I'm using is this one. So Firefly Image 3 photo. We're gonna say green steel ball. There we go. There we go. So it looks very nice. It looks very cool. It looks very high quality because it is trained on Adobe Photoshop. Adobe's license, stock images. So it looks pretty cool. Looks pretty nice. And yeah, guys. So Firefly works seamlessly with Photoshop and Illustrator, make it easy for designers to refine AI generated content. Firefly allows non-destructive edits. You can erase, replace, or modify parts of an AI suggestions. Sometimes the blending isn't perfect, like this one. Yeah, the blending's not that good, but it tries. So yeah, you do need require manual touch up. Now, apply AI generated effects to text. It's perfect for branding and marketing. Recolor vector graphics in Illustrator instantly. So the features of Firefly right here. The features of Firefly is that commercial use is safe and licensed. No commercial. Then like the image quality is pretty nice and editing features built into Adobe, and it's beginner friendly compared to Midjourney. Midjourney has no commercial guarantee and it's highly artistic, no editing and requiring Discord. And with DALL-E is the other AI image generator, same as Adobe Firefly. So DALL-E is limited, good for realism, basic editing, simple prompts, and stable diffusion. Does require careful checks, customizable, advanced, and more technical. And Adobe Firefly is best for designers and marketers who need AI inside Photoshop. Midjourney is, let me put up Midjourney right here. Now, Midjourney is for artists looking for unique, artistic, creative AI. DALL-E is for general AI generated images and fun experimentation, and Stable Diffusion developers and advanced users who want full control. So pros and cons of Adobe Firefly, it's that it's fully licensed for commercial use, integrated into Photoshop and Illustrator, high quality AI image generation, easy to use with intuitive interface. Cons is not as imaginative or artistic as Midjourney, and limited style option compared to other competitors. Some generative edits require manual refinement. So the final verdict is Adobe Firefly worth it. If you're an Adobe user, Firefly is an amazing tool to speed up your workflow. If you want ultra artistic AI images, Midjourney is still the top choice. So yeah, and If you want ultra artistic images, yeah, you go to Midjourney. Overall, Adobe Firefly is pretty good, pretty solid AI tool that's built for professional use, offering safe, high quality, and editable AI generated content. So yeah, guys, what do you think about Firefly? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and for more AI reviews. And I'll see you guys on the next one.